USPS Form 1583 is required when you want to set up a private mailbox or a virtual mailbox. It lets the mail center legally receive mail on your behalf. Let's go step by step through the form. Start with Section 1. This is for the date your mailbox account was opened. Some services may leave it blank, but if you have a start date, write it here. Section 2 is for the mailbox provider's address. Enter the full street address and your assigned mailbox number exactly as given to you. Section 3 asks how you'll use the mailbox. Check personal use, business use, or both. If you select business, you'll also need to complete the business section later in the form. Section 4 is your personal information. Write your full name, phone number, email address, and your complete home address. If you're under a court protection order, mark yes and provide the supporting court document. Section 5 is only needed if you want to add an authorized person who can pick up your mail. Fill in their full name, contact details, and residential address. Remember, this address cannot be another P.O. box. Section 6 is optional. Use it only if you want your mail forwarded from your mailbox to another address. Enter that forwarding address along with contact information. Section 7 is for business information. If you marked business use earlier, provide the legal name of your business, type of business, full street address, and phone number. If the business isn't registered yet, you can write NA for the registration field. Section 8 is where you enter your primary photo ID details. Write your name as it appears on the ID number, the issuing authority, expiration date, and check the type of ID you're presenting. Section 9 is for your secondary ID, usually something that verifies your home address. List the name, address, and type of ID. Note that you cannot use the same ID for both Sections 8 and 9. If you listed an authorized individual earlier, they also need to. Complete Sections 10 and 11 with their photo ID and address ID. They must present two different forms of ID, just like you. Section 12 is for any additional people who need to receive mail at your mailbox. For personal use, you can add minor children. For business use, list other business members. Each person may need to show ID if requested by the Postal Service. In Section 13, you'll sign and date the form, but only during your notary appointment. Do not sign it ahead of time. Finally, Section 14 will be completed by the notary as the official witness. Once everything is filled out and notarized, the form can be submitted to your mailbox provider. That completes the process.